Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive collection, and today we are getting into Zaharoff's signature Seraphim Blue. Okay, bam, there it is. It's for left-handed people. Signature Seraphim Blue. Okay, before we do anything, make sure you like, subscribe, and also join the Accord, one newsletter a month. All right, we're not gonna waste too much time. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into the bam. There it is. All right, I have no idea what to expect from this. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what we got here. We have aromatic-marine, fresh spice, iris, woody, lavender, amber, powdery, and sweet. Okay, so far, this thing falling down? It is. So far, this is, I can already tell you, so far, this is one of the ones that I like out of the, from the house. Zaharoff's house. I like this. Yes, right off the bat. Let's see what's in the notes. You got lavender, rosemary, apple, eucalyptus. In the middle notes, you have marine, coconut. That's why I like it. I love coconut, man. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I got distracted. Marine notes, coconut, iris, orange blossom, mugane, cypress, immortelle. In the base, you have amber, frankincense, and musk. This is up there, guys. Ooh-wee. I like this. I like it when they use coconut, but they don't use it for the sweet aspect of it. I'm sure for women it's great, but for me personally, I don't like sweet coconut smells. And this is more of the creamier side of the coconut. You know, it's almost like a sandalwood. Yes, this is good. This is good. Seems pretty linear. I'm getting, for sure, I want to say eucalyptus, coconut, musk, and lavender. Not bad. Not bad. Finally, something to kind of redeem what's been going on with this house. I haven't loved a lot of what I've smelled. And for this, I like it. I like it a lot. I would say it definitely is unisex, for sure. It's definitely unisex. It's got marine notes in it, so one would think that this is for the summer, the winter, or summer, spring, you know, around that time period, especially with coconut. This is well blended, guys. It's not necessarily something that you can easily pick out. Lavender is usually a pretty easy one to get. And there's a lot of lavender in here. This is a good quality fragrance. This is in that seamless soul tier of from what I got from the from Justin Copeland's initial fragrance, my initial interest into the house. This is up there with that. There's a familiar quality to this that I'm not sure. It reminds me of something my mom used to have when I was younger, but I don't know what that is that's giving me that. Showing too much skin. It's not that kind of show. It's not that kind of party. Let me see here. Yeah, there's something in here that's sexy, but I don't know what it is. It makes me think that this is also like something that you could get away with for like a date night. But I don't know what it is. Yeah. Yeah, this is a great fragrance. I'm not sure what saffron means. Let's go ahead and Google that right quick. An angelic being regarded in traditional Christian angelology, I think I'm screwing that up, as belonging to the highest order of ninefold celestial hierarchy associated with light, ardor, and purity. And there's the bottle. Let me see here. There's the bottle right there. Bam. There's the bottle. So it's an angel. And it's definitely a very smooth, rounded. Is there musk in here? It's got to be musk in here. Yes. Smooth, rounded, powdery, creamy. But it's also, I mean, it's blue, but not in the traditional sense of blue, right? Like it's not. It leans more to a fougère than it does a blue fragrance. I'm getting unisex here. Spring, summer, yeah, pretty typical. Came out in 2004, so it's not exactly an old fragrance. It's an oriental spice. I like this. I like this. I definitely say you should check this out. So far on the list from Zaharoff, this is up there. This is one of their good ones. They're really, really good ones. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, man. I'm not getting a whole lot of apple either. Which, you know, apple's usually pretty zingy, right? Like I usually pretty much pick up on the apple and all the fragrances. I'm thinking about Leighton. I'm thinking about YSL. Like apple is like, you usually get it. There's a sweetness in here, but it's not like a dominant sweetness. It's kind of like an undertone. Really what you're getting, in my opinion, is the lavender, coconut, and the musk. You know, so it's a very busy fragrance, but it blends together very well. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried this? What do you guys think of red? There's a red one apparently. So we're going to get into that one as well. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.